today we're going to use an app called Scratch. So this tutorial is for beginners. If you're not a beginner, please don't watch this video. So yeah, let's do it. So yeah, now today we're going to learn how to move a character, and basically in Scratch language we call a character a sprite. It's not that drinking Sprite, it's a Scratch language so that everybody can know. Okay, now I don't want this cat here, so how to remove it? It's easy. Just you can press delete the trash can. Okay, now we need a sprite here, but first let's do a background here. So what to do is that choose a backdrop, and now there are many backdrops here to choose. There are many backdrops, so I want to have like an interesting background. So let's do this one. So now let's take a sprite. Okay, there are many sprites in this app. There are many characters, which is more cool, more fantastic, and some sprites are cartoonish and even better made. There are many sprites here. You can even animate sprites. So what we are going to do, let's pick a boy. Let's pick a boy like this guy, Ben. So now this boy is too long here and it won't fit the backdrop. So what I'm going to do is go to costumes, and we have to hold the click, and here we go. Now let's size it little bit down. Alright, now let's paint the shirt. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take a different color. You can pick any color you want, like this. Now let's press this, and this. See how it looks? Very nice, right? So now let's start with the code. So today we're going to use these codes: events, control, and motion. So what is motion? Motions, basically, what does motion do? Motion makes the sprite to move here and there. So yeah, and controls, what are controls? It controls the sprite. And what are events? Events, basically, when you press this flag called green flag, green flag, so it shows the sprite that what it is doing. Alright, so now let's start with the first code in event, when green flag click. So what does this do? So when we click this green flag, it shows that what is the sprite doing. Now let's go to controls. Now what we can do in controls, that we have to pull the forever code here, and now we have to go to motion. Yeah, we have to go to motion. So we have to move this sprite here. We want to move this sprite here. So what I can do is use this code, wait for 1 second or even 0.5 second, and then what we have to do is that take this one, change x by here, change x by 10. So now let's see how it works. Now let's click the green flag and see. See, it's moving here. It's moving here. Now we want this sprite to go up. We need this sprite to go up. So what I can do, delete this block and now choose x by 10. And see, it's floating. The boy is floating. Alright. So yeah guys, that's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found this interesting. So now I'll end this video, but before I end this video, please subscribe, share, like, comment, and hit that notification bell down below to get notified for more videos. And as always, scratch on.